New animal species have been found in Africa's diverse landscapes. These creatures are unique and from different habitats. They are making scientists reconsider biodiversity. Let's explore 8 amazing species together. Number 1. The translucent Congo eel. A see-through eel was found in the Congo River. This species is called transparent because its body is almost see-through. It's rare because most fish in Africa's water are colorful and not see-through. The Congo eel is see-through and can be up to 50 centimeters long. It has a long, thin body that blends in with the water. Being transparent helps this organism survive by making it difficult for predators to see it. The eel's transparent body helps it blend in better in murky rivers. The eel's ability to sneak up on prey and avoid predators is helpful for survival. The Congo eel's see-through skin makes it interesting for studying evolution and biology. This creature eats small fish, crustaceans, and insect larvae. Its small teeth are sharp and help it catch and eat prey. Eels are good hunters in the Congo River because of their long body and sense organ called lateral line system. The Congo eel is see-through and active at night when it hunts for food outside of its hiding spots. This eel is hard to study because of its behavior and being translucent. We don't know how the Congo eel reproduces. They may lay eggs in hidden spots like their opaque counterparts, but we still don't have concrete data like the eel. The see-through Congo eel is a cool find in Africa's deep water. This animal shows there are many more types of life to find, and they have adapted to survive. Number 2. The dotted Rwandan toad. We found the Rwandan toad in the rainforests of Rwanda during our discovery tour. It's a new addition to the list of amphibians. This toad has white dots on a black body and is interesting to look at and study. The Rwandan toad has dots that serve a purpose and is about 5 centimeters long. Toxins in dots protect toads from predators. The Rwandan toad has a unique way of using warning colors, which is common in animals. Rwandan toads hunt insects in Rwanda's forests. It eats bugs like beetles, ants, and spiders. The toad catches prey quickly and accurately using its long, sticky tongue. The Rwandan toad has a special call that is different from other toads nearby. The toads make a unique sound to avoid breeding with other species and keep their genes unique. Toads make beautiful sounds at night in Rwanda's forests. It adds to the forest's charm. The Rwandan toad is unique and diverse among African amphibians. It's a valuable addition to Africa's biodiversity and can help with studying amphibian warning systems and genetic diversity. Number 3. The spiny Tanzanian snail. In Tanzania's coast, there is a new type of snail called the Tanzanian snail. This snail has spiky projections on its shell, which is different from most snails. This big land snail can grow up to 6 centimeters wide. Its shell has spine-like structures that protect it from predators. Snails need to adapt to avoid being eaten by predators in their natural habitat. The Tanzanian snail eats rotting plants, fungi, and lichen. They have a tongue with many small teeth called a radula, which helps them eat and recycle nutrients. The Tanzanian snail reproduces in a common way among mollusks. They have both male and female reproductive organs. This feature lets any 2 individuals mate and have babies, which helps the population grow even if there aren't many individuals. The Tanzanian snail has unique features that help it survive and can teach us about evolution and ecology. This discovery reminds us of how life adapts and thrives in different habitats around the world. Number 4. The majestic Ugandan bat. New bat species found in Uganda called majestic Ugandan bat. This bat has big wings and a special call. It helps us learn about how bats find their way and move around. The Ugandan bat has a 1-meter wingspan and is one of Africa's largest bat species. The bat's wings are thin and see-through, which helps it fly long distances to find food or move to new places. The Ugandan bat eats insects like moths and beetles. Bats are great hunters because they are small and have good echolocation. They can find and catch prey even in the dark. The bat's migration is interesting. The Ugandan bat doesn't hibernate in large groups like other bats. Instead, it travels long distances and stays in small groups temporarily. The Ugandan bat's call is both useful for hunting and navigation, and also sounds amazing. It makes a unique sound at night in Uganda. The discovery of the Ugandan bat is interesting for bat researchers because it can teach them about bat physiology, behavior, and adaptation. It shows how species develop traits to survive in their habitats. Number 5. The luminous Kenyan jellyfish. Next, we'll go to the Kenyan coast to see the glowing luminous Kenyan jellyfish in the dark waters. This glowing jellyfish in Kenya's waters is cool and can help with studying bioluminescence and marine biology. The Kenyan jellyfish is 15 centimeters wide and glows blue-green. Jellyfish glow because of bacteria that live with them. This helps them catch food and avoid danger. Jellyfish eat small fish and zooplankton. It stings and paralyzes prey, then eats it. The Kenyan jellyfish glows to attract prey, making its hunting deceptive. Jellyfish use their glow to communicate and find mates during breeding seasons. Glowing mating displays in marine creatures are interesting to study and help us learn about their reproductive behaviors. The Kenyan jellyfish is important in the ocean's food chain as it is both a predator and prey. It helps balance marine ecosystems. We found a new glowing jellyfish in Kenya. The glowing of bioluminescence is interesting and can help us learn more about marine biology. It shows the amazing variety of life in the ocean. Number 6. The rainbow Ethiopian moth. A new moth species called rainbow Ethiopian moth was found in Ethiopia's highlands. This colorful moth is a great addition to entomology. The rainbow Ethiopian moth has beautiful wings and is about 4 centimeters wide. Bright colors help animals blend in with the colorful plants in the Ethiopian highlands. This moth pollinates by feeding on flower nectar. Their curly mouth part, found in moths and butterflies, helps them drink nectar from different types of flowers. The rainbow Ethiopian moth has a special way of attracting a mate. The male shows off its colorful wings in a dance to impress the female. This display is interesting for studying insect behavior and evolution. The caterpillar of the rainbow Ethiopian moth is also colorful. Caterpillar warns predators it's not tasty. This helps it survive, a common insect strategy. Finding the rainbow Ethiopian moth is exciting for bug science. Learn about moths, their roles in nature, and their amazing adaptations. Number 7. The golden Somali antelope. In Somalia, there's a new type of antelope called the golden Somali antelope. It's a recent discovery and adds to the variety of African antelopes. It has a golden coat and strong body, showing how well it can survive in the desert. The golden Somali antelope is about 1 meter tall and has a golden brown coat. The color helps it blend in the desert. Antelopes eat grass and shrubs. Its digestive system is adapted for getting the most nutrition from the scarce vegetation in the dry area. It can survive without water for a long time by adapting its metabolism and conserving water efficiently. The Somali antelope is very fast and can escape from lions and cheetahs. Male animals have curved horns for fighting and showing off to attract mates. Antelopes live in small groups or herds with females and their young. Finding the golden Somali antelope helps us learn about animals that live in the desert and how they interact with their surroundings. It shows how life can thrive in tough environments. Number 8. The painted Malagasy chameleon. Next, we're going to Madagascar to see the colorful painted Malagasy chameleon and other reptiles. This chameleon is colorful and interesting to researchers and nature enthusiasts. The painted Malagasy chameleon is a small lizard that can change colors and patterns on its skin. It is about 15 centimeters long. The colors help with hiding and talking. Chameleons can change their skin color to hide from predators and catch prey. Colors and patterns affect social interactions and mate selection. Chameleons eat bugs and small creatures by using their long, sticky tongue. The tongue moves quickly to catch things. The Malagasy chameleon has a tail that helps it climb and balance on branches. Its eyes can rotate independently for a panoramic view. The painted Malagasy chameleon's mating behavior is fascinating. Female animals lay eggs in soil to protect them from predators. Finding the painted Malagasy chameleon adds to Madagascar's unique species. Chameleons are studied for their appearance, behavior, and evolution.